sketch me the rest of one breadfruit in the evening. Yeah, we have that with the tinners. Just a little small meal in the evening. Here's the fire made up. Oh, I'm gonna get it lighter now. Alright, so see there guys. I can go and bake or well right. So catch me, I eat that with the tinners, some steamed cabbage, stay tuned. Yes, right now my people. I just get a little turn now. I actually finished already, you can smell it. Alright, see what I go on now guys. I just this side leave and I will finish. I'm ready to start eat. Actually finished now. Look at it. Got some steamed cabbage, some roast breadfruit, yellow heart. Yeah, gonna dive in it now and enjoy. No joke. Got that. Yes guys. So guys, just I go and enjoy this now. No, I'm not enjoying this, a full joy. So guys, like I said, this is my final. I'm gonna quit. Gonna stop doing YouTube. Yeah, I'm quitting YouTube because it's not working out. I don't really got no community. I don't really got no followers. Yeah, I just got some numbers. Yeah, I don't really have a follower. And without the support, I can't able to function this channel properly. Because I don't like to travel to a certain place. Like to go a certain place every day and vlog. But without the support, and worse, I'm not monetized. My watch hour seems to not going to be reach monetization anytime soon. Because it keep going down back. Views are dropping rapidly. People are leaving my channel. No one is subscribing, no one is watching. So guys, it don't really make no continue this journey. Yeah, so I was just doing it for the love, but now it work out because life in the way. Just that I want you guys to know. If you don't see me again, I quit. Okay guys? Yeah, and please, thanks for all the likes that you give me so far and all the views so far. It was a good journey, but a man gotta do what a man gotta do. Yeah, that is it. Look at this. I'm gonna dive down in this now guys. So I think about this thing long truly. I sleep on it, I wake up and I sleep on it again, and I just come to one conclusion: I have to just leave it alone guys. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, but differently. This food is so yummy delicious. Yeah. So guys, This breadfruit is so sweet. I'm telling you, it's sweet like sugar inside it. Time to get some drink. Shall I finish the food now? Look at that. Nice glass of beverage here. Well cool. Feel free to subscribe. Feel free to donate. Feel free to leave your comment. Until next time. Peace. I'm out.